Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Canva. First, navigate to the Canva website or download the app. You will see options to sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or by entering an email address. Choose the method that works best for you. After selecting, you will be prompted to provide your name and create a strong password. Finally, select your account type from the available options, which helps Canva customize your initial experience and template suggestions. This entire process takes less than 2 minutes. Once your account is set up, you will land on the Canva dashboard. This is your creative command center, displaying recent designs and popular templates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the large search bar at the top. It is incredibly useful for finding specific templates, photos, or graphics. On the left side, you will find a menu with options like templates, projects, and brand kit, offering quick access to essential design tools and resources. Now let's create your first design. You can start by choosing from thousands of professional templates, or if you prefer, select Create a Design and pick a blank canvas size. Once in the editor, you will see your canvas in the center. On the left, you have options to add text, photos, elements, and more. Simply click on an item to add it, then drag and drop to position it. Double-click text to edit it, and use the color palette to change hues. It is incredibly user-friendly. After perfecting your design, saving and sharing are straightforward. Canva automatically saves your work as you go, so you rarely lose progress. To download, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. You can choose from several file types, such as PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller files, or PDF for documents. From the same Share menu, you can also directly post your design to social media or send it via email, making collaboration and distribution simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.